Hey guys, I'm Dom Tisher, and I want to do a quick little review of Keto OS 2.0 and 2.1. What's the difference? And what is it? Well, first and foremost, Keto OS is a ketone supplement. It's a first ever exogenous ketone supplement that you just mix in water, shake it up, and drink it, and then elevate your blood ketone levels within 59 minutes. And it can be tested and proven with a simple urine test. Ketones can be tested by urine. So pretty simple. I mean, you can test by blood and by breath also. But bottom line is it's a ketone supplement. So all we're doing is taking ketones from the outside and putting them inside as exogenous ketone. So the first version of the product that was made available September 1st, 2015 was 2.0 in this blue canister. Had a really sweet orange creamsicle or orange dream flavor. And sometimes it would cause some GI distress. And that GI distress was caused by a couple things. One, people just weren't fat adapted and they guzzled it down really quick because it was sweet, they liked it, and they just drank it really fast. But there was a lot of MCT oil in it and calcium salts. So that would cause some GI distress. And when I say GI distress, I'm meaning it might be a little stomach cramping and some diarrhea. So if people drank it too fast, that's what would happen. So what we would always tell them to do is take half a serving, mix it up in 16, 18 ounces of water, drink it over 15, 20 minutes, and let your body absorb the MCT and the beta hydroxybutyrate, and then you won't have those problems. Now, this new version, other than the color difference in the canister, there's a few other differences. One, this is a optimized version, so we end up having a better balance of calcium salts and sodium salts, or the beta hydroxybutyrate salts, the ketone salts. It still has MCT powder in it, which is like coconut oil. Really good for you, right? But this one's not that sweet. A lot of people complain that this one was too sweet, and now they're saying this one's not sweet enough. And then they didn't want the orange creamsicle flavor, but yet that's what they were getting the first time. So that's all there is. But one thing that a lot of people don't know is that you can change this flavor very easily. I add some Mio or some Crystal Light. I take like an eighth of a pack of the Crystal Light, put it in some water, shake it up. It changes the entire flavor of the product. So Keto OS or the ketones will really adapt whatever flavor you add to it to your liking. There's a lot of people that just like it the way it is. So ketones do some really amazing things. This one will provide a faster uptick in your ketone levels and maintain those levels for a longer period of time over this one. And that's why we're not doing this one anymore. This one still works and it's still really good, and a lot of people had a lot of great success with it. But I think people are going to find that the versions after this are just going to get better and better. Because, as you see, Pruvit's all about helping people be better. So if you're not sure what ketones are or what ketone supplementation can do for you, I strongly encourage you to Google ketones and migraines, ketones and inflammation, ketones energy, ketones athletic performance, or whatever. As a matter of fact, being that our main ingredient in here, the very first ingredient on here is beta hydroxybutyrate, or BHB. Google BHB and migraines, BHB and whatever, or ketones or ketosis and whatever. And then you're going to be able to see the power and all the benefits that come along with this ketone supplement. So that's all you have to do to receive these benefits. It's really cool. This is a brand new technology. It was developed at the University of South Florida. It's the first product of its kind ever to do what it does. A lot of times there are supplements out there that say, hey, our product does this, but you can't prove it. You can't test it. You just are going off the salesmanship of the person. But here, you can actually test your ketone levels. Just go to the drugstore, get yourself a ketone test strip, and test. It's just that simple. This product works 100% of the time for 100% of the people. Our bodies are designed, every cell in our body is designed to accept ketones. The problem is with the modern day diet, we're always putting in too many carbohydrates, too many sugars, too many breads, pastas, whatever, where our body won't naturally produce the ketones anymore. Because in order for our bodies to produce ketones, we need to rid our bodies of glucose or glycogen in our muscle stores. We need to get rid of all that stuff. And then our body is going to turn to our body fat and start burning our body fat for fuel, to fuel our brains, to fuel everything. And that fuel that our body fat is turned into is called ketones. And when we have elevated ketone levels, we're in the state of ketosis. That's remarkable, and that's what this does. This elevates your ketone levels within 59 minutes, and we can prove it, and it works 100% of the time, every time, for everybody. Period. So, hey, that's the difference. It's not as sweet as this one. This one's not going to cause the GI discomfort like this one, because it's more balanced between the sodium and the calcium salts, or the ketone salts. But this one's optimized, so you're going to have the elevated ketones faster, and in addition to that, you're going to keep them longer. So, hey, I hope this video provided you some value. If you're interested in taking this ketone supplement and elevating your ketone levels, go below, click the link, go to my site, visit it, learn more about it, Google ketones and whatever, and then come on back to this video and get yourself some ketones. Share this video with others, help others become better and receive the same benefits. All right, guys, have a great day.